Right, this is to help anybody that's struggling to find the 2-pin oil switch. Common issues is when you accelerate, the EPC Light turns on, so it says like do not max 4,000 RPMs or something. The 1 pin is right here. It's right next to the oil switch. The oil filter housing. It's right there. I spent hours and hours and hours looking to see where the other one was. I couldn't find shit. There was one guy that found it, and it's the other video that's online, probably the only other one. But it was very confusing because he kind of just like stuck his phone in like that, and all of a sudden it was there. So I already pulled mine out. Mine was white, and I'm already screwing in the new one. The new one is purple. I hope that doesn't really matter. I broke this while trying to get to it. The guy in the video, yes, it was pretty easy to get to from the looks of it. Mine was not. So so this is the supercharger right here. It's directly behind, and it's right underneath this. So like right here, underneath behind. So let me see where it's at. Okay, you can kind of see it from here. Try to zoom in. Let me see, where is it? It's so hard to see. My hand is literally on it right now. It's all the way back here. Look at this. Supercharger right here. My hand is on it right there. Hold on, let's see, where the fuck is it? Right here where my finger's at. Trying to get it so that the camera can see it. It's very difficult. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. This little, right where my finger's moving. That's it right there. I'm tightening it right now with my hand. The camera won't focus, it's right there. Getting it out is a bitch. Putting it back on, probably gonna be a bitch. I had to break all these zip ties. There was a shit ton of zip ties right here that I broke. To get this loose. That's how this that's how this broke right here. Sorry about that. I don't know what this is yet. It just looks like some pipe. Hopefully it's not too big of a deal. It just goes into there. But it's right there. It's right behind. You see that? See that purple right there? Camera won't focus. I'm trying to hold this with one hand. Essentially, that's where it is, though. It took me so long to find it. But I made this just to help locate the rough idea of where it is. It's right there. Sorry, my hands are shaking. I have like no balance right now. So yeah. 1 pin right there, 2 pin back there. I changed the 1 pin, didn't fix my issue. I'm about to change the other one. I won't know if it's gonna fix the issue or not because I'm not gonna turn the car on or do anything until I get this fixed. Kind of sucks, but we'll see.